Hello, this is Dr. Andre, deteriorates in Spiral Dental Care, and today we're going to talk about dental implants. What are dental implants? So dental implant is a titanium screw that we place in the patient's jaw. The person who's the candidate for dental implant is really most people. There are some medical conditions that can create risk factors for implants as far as the longevity and the healing of them, but with certain controls, we can help increase the success rate of a dental implant. The type of dental implants that we use is called Straumann, and they're actually considered the #1 implant company. Not all practices do this, but the process of planning a dental implant at our practice always starts with a cone beam CT. A cone beam CT allows me, the doctor, to be able to see vital structures that will help me plan the right implant for that space. So this is an example of a patient that has an existing tooth that we're going to be replacing immediately with an implant. Where this tooth used to be is where we're going to place an implant, and what this software allows us to do, it allows us to virtually place the implant so we can see it in 2D, but we can also then see it in 3D as well. I'm not just putting an implant in the jawbone anywhere, but no, I already know, okay, this is where the ideal position for this replacing tooth or replacing set of teeth need to be, and that's one of the advantages of our practice. So if you would like more information, please visit our website or give us a call. Your needs are our specialty.